You call your ticks Terrence? That's cute. It's like your brain is in control, and Terrence does love to muck around and press random buttons. Yeah, Mike, that's pretty close to the truth, actually. It's kind of like a sneeze. An obscene sneeze. I'm pretty sure... I've had a few people come on my tits. I have a kitten. Fuck. Don't clip that. I've had a few people... Fuck's sake! I thought I was gonna just breeze past that one, but it got me. I've had a few people who... I can't even remember what I was gonna... What was I talking about? I'm blushing now. I asked for Gachi and Chit Chat moves it to spam. Before it falls off, just rub the lights real quick. Right, so the reason why I love Studio Ghibli is because they have this really awesome sense of morality where there's no one good and no one bad. There are just people who are trying really hard to do what they feel is right, and sometimes you have conflicting ideas of that, and say that they think I'm possessed and that modern medicine won't understand or fix me, and therefore I should have an exorcism. But I'm gonna say this as many times as it needs to be said. I'm not gonna be alone in a room with a priest ever, voluntarily. I know what they get up to, okay? That is not a wise decision. It's already on YouPorn. Fuck. I bet it is as well. God damn it. Okay. The reason for the lipstick is dick. It's dick. It's dick. It's fuck. It's fuck my dick. It's the reason for the lipstick is I've noticed that Terrence doesn't like Terrence doesn't like textures. So one of the textures is chalk. I will not touch chalk at all. Anything sticky, anything dry. It's like your brain is in control, and Terrence does love to muck around and press random buttons. Yeah, Mike, that's pretty close to the truth, actually. It's kind of like a sneeze. An obscene sneeze. I'm pretty sure... I've had a few people come on my tits. I have a kitten. Fuck. Don't clip that. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and went, fuck, I have a dick? Well... When was the last time you looked at yourself and said something positive about yourself? When was the last time you looked in the mirror and said, that looks amazing? Which direction did he go in? He's been running back and forward all day. Like, I saw him just before. That was huge. What, the spider? Yeah, I'm fine with the huge spider. I thought it was a mouse when I saw him in OBS while I was fucking your friends, bitch. Cucking your friends, bitch. While I was setting up OBS. I was just gonna give you guys a free banana. Oh, I love banana. Yes, that. Sure, I've had a few people come on my tits. I have a kitten. Fuck. Don't clip that. Something like that. But yeah, at some point or another, the things you love will break your heart, and that's just the nature of love, unfortunately. But it's always worth it. And also, whenever I look back on loss, like whenever I've lost someone I'm really close to, I have always thought that I'm gonna appreciate what I had instead of moping about what I don't have now. And I'm gonna see the situation for this. I'm grateful for every second I got, and I'm not gonna be whiny about the fact that it didn't last forever, because I always knew it wouldn't. And that's fine, and that's just part of life. And yeah, I just move on like that, and I just I appreciate rather than grieve. I appreciate the time I got, you know? And I'm thankful for that. And I don't ever want to fuck. I don't ever fuck my friends. I don't ever want to sour the memory of someone by constantly, focusing on what it's not anymore rather than what it was.
So many times have I just bent myself over the desk and then tried to get it up. Just hunching
Bent over the desk and tried to get it up. Are you trying to tempt the chat? You know how they're going to respond. Don't put it that way. You know what you're doing.
I hunched over my desk.
Al, tell me more.
Yeah. You can find out more yourself in the link.
That's what I'm talking about.
But yeah, like so many times have I just hit it.
My deck is huge. You little fucker! You sneaky fucker! I'm not in love with your fish. Though you go touching my Toot Toot. Heather Leanne, will you say happy birthday to me in ASMR? I will say. Okay. I'm not gonna sing it. I don't sing. Happy motherfucking birthday. Hey, there you go. Hope you have an awesome birthday.